Hi, I'm Sean Alexander, Service Director at Joe Bullard Cadillac, and this is your Tune-Up Tuesday. So today we're going to be talking about the most important aspect of your vehicle anytime you go out on the road, which is the number one thing that is going to be touching the ground, which is tires. So tire tread depth is going to be extremely important, which affects your braking distance and safety while you're going on the roads at any kind of high speeds such as interstate driving. This here is a bad tire. We've got low tread depth, which is going to be showing at about 230 seconds. With 230 seconds, you have no stopping distance that's going to help you. It's got, let's see if you can get close to this one. It's got a little bit of weathering on the side. You've got a little dry rot. You can see in between the cracks. This tire is not in good shape by chipping from any kind of road wear. This one here next to it is a brand new tire. You can see plenty of tread depth, so if you're driving over any kind of water, any puddles, you got a lot of room for that water to move. Good healthy tire. It's going to help your stopping distance, give you optimal performance while you're driving down the roads. So, like I said, tires are extremely important, and for Tune-Up Tuesdays, we have to talk about the important things. And most important things, like I said, are tires on your vehicle. We do have competitive pricing, tire match here at our Cadillac dealership. And at all of our dealerships, we'll be able to fit your vehicle with the tires that are going to give you the most comfortable ride that you're expecting and something that's going to be fitting for your budget. So I'm Sean Alexander for Tune-Up Tuesday. Thank you very much.